Alright, today's going to be our first barbecue of the season. We have some marinated pork. And what else do we have here?
Chicken.
Some marinated chicken. Alright.
Looks good.
Here we go. The charcoal is going, getting started. And soon we'll be barbecuing some hot dogs, some chicken, some pork steaks, and maybe some fish. Alright, we'll see. Let's go. So this is pork steak marinated with a simple salt and pepper, a little bit of sugar, soy sauce, and cumin, garlic powder, onion powder. So yeah. And then that is a pompano fish. Wow, looking good. Looking good. Yeah. Uh-oh. Lost the onion.
Onion.
You can grill that onion and put it aside. The onion will look good. Wow, it smells delicious. Alright, trying this barbecue pork steak. Here we go. Delicious. Very good. Cooking the chicken now. This little lever does wonders.
Try the fish is good. A little bit.
Wait, just go ahead. You try it. Show you how. You dip in rice. It's like sushi. The Filipino style of eating. Yum. How is it?
Good.
There you go. Lami, lami.
Na maaari tumagal ang operasyong militar laban sa Iran ng 4 hanggang 6 na linggo. Sinabi rin niya na layunin ng US na pahinain ang kakayahang militar ng Iran kabilang ang kanilang naval forces. Samantala, patuloy ang palitan ng pag-atake sa rehiyon. Sa mga nakaraang araw, naglunsad ang Iran ng drone at missile strikes laban sa mga bansang may military bases. Lumawak din ang labanan matapos makisali ang militant group na hawak ng Iran sa pag-atake laban sa Israel. Dahil dito naglunsad ang Israeli military ng mga airstrikes sa Beirut sa Lebanon. Ang malalakas na pagsabog
Russia and China promote as an alternative to Western power. From Moscow's perspective, Iran sits within what Russia informally considers its strategic neighborhood. So the